Hello, good evening. My son, Lemincho Alfonso, is not home. He said he go to work. There's leasing for the retired man. This is latest little groceries. There's some fruits, lime, from CS Cold Storage Grocery. Okay? Star Vista Mall. We have some bihon, noodles. I have some bagels. I'm used to eat bagels. Okay? Bagels. This is a cinnamon raisin bagels. Okay? And sugar. And I have some cheese, chicken, you know. Okay, that's for tonight, folks. This is only for groceries. This is $34 something. May bilisin po pay. Okay? I have some Coca-Cola here. So, enjoy atong Black Ford. The World Cup of Singapore. Ladies Little Groceries. July 22, 2026. Enjoy Singapore. Little Groceries.